Happy Valentine's Day! Joey just did something so sweet. We always just like go for dinner on Valentine's Day. We do something kind of like, we usually like split the bill sort of thing. Like, or sometimes if he feels like he wants to do something special, he'll pay. But like, that's what we did last year. Nothing crazy. And then he surprised me with a trip to the Drake Devonshire, which is like one of the Drake hotels, and it's like just a little bit east of the city. And it's gonna be so nice. I'm so excited. You're gonna die. He even made a vlog, like did a little vlog clip for you guys because he knew I'd want to vlog this. So fucking cute. What? Okay, I'm gonna insert the vlog clip of him here.
Okay, so it's the day before Valentine's Day, and I have a surprise for Allegra. I know how much she loves the Drake Hotel. We've always wanted to go to the Drake Devonshire. So, without telling her, I booked a 2-night stay for Wednesday and Thursday this week, and I'm gonna surprise her with it tomorrow morning. This is weird, I never really talked to you guys on camera, and I don't really know if you like me. Oh, I just drove by some cops. Okay, anyway. I'm really excited to tell her because she thinks I haven't done anything. I just told her I've been like way too busy with work to handle this, and that we would celebrate like next week or something. So, stay tuned.
Okay, so today we put Feminist Tees back into like actual production. All the fabric is ordered now. We had to switch manufacturers, so we had to get a sample remade to check their work, and then yeah, fully gonna be in production. So those will be coming out soon. But I got a bunch of packages in the mail, and I want to open them with you before I pack for the Drake. I have to leave pretty soon, so I have to do this quickly. First thing is from IGK. They're just great, and I really like all their products. So they always send me like little samples and stuff to try out their stuff. Holographic hair foam. Cool. They're coming out with like a lot of really cool like niche products. So this is holographic hair foam in Meteor and Moonrock. So if you want to have like a cool hairstyle, I think this would be really cool for festival season. That's cool. I love IGK's, I love their beach texture spray. I think that's really nice. I like their hydrating balm a lot. So if, you know, the boys want to send me those, I'd appreciate it. This is from Nars. Did I just cut the... Since I'm not like a beauty vlogger anymore, I never get any of the big makeup packages in PR events and PR sendouts, which like kind of makes me sad because like I really, when I see all the beauty vloggers opening them up, I'm like, I like that product, but like in the end, it's better going to them. But one company, like I really love Nars, so anytime Nars sends out something, I like want it. So this is the foundation. Oh, I've been wanting to try this foundation. I'm so happy because like everyone got those big things with all of the foundations in it, and I was like, I've seen people like using it, and I'm like, I need that. And they sent it to me. Thank you, Nars. I'm so excited. I want to try this foundation. Oh, yes. I'm so excited. You guys don't know, I'm so excited. Okay. I've heard such good things about this. I got the colors. Nice. Punjab and DeVille. Perfect. I've never tried the color. I've tried the color Punjab, which is perfect when I have a self tan on. But DeVille, I feel like will be nice for my normal winter skin. So excited. Thank you so much, Nars. And I'm pretty sure this was sent by Larissa at Nars. So thank you, Larissa, if you sent this out. I love Nars products so much. And I get so excited every time you send me a package. Thank you, Nars. I have no clue where this stuff is from. I might have bought this, but I just don't know. Oh my god, no, this is... I've been fucking waiting for this for fucking weeks, Jesus. Oh, I'm so happy this came today because I'm gonna wear this right now if it fits. It's gonna be really hard to show you, but I got a matching velvet pink set. Oh, I'm so excited. I literally bought this from Australia and it took like 3 weeks. It's from Isabelle Quinn. Next thing, did I buy this? I think I bought this. Oh, I totally forgot. From Sabo skirt. I just wanted to get a few things. I got like a bathing suit. I just thought it was a really cute bathing suit. I'm sure you'll see it on my Instagram. I just dropped one of the foundation. And then I got this like dress. What did I get? A Playsuit. Got a Playsuit. And then I think I got a pair of sunglasses. I was just like really, oh yeah, I got these sunglasses. I was really just like feeling spring for like in summer, and I just bought some stuff. And I don't feel like I have a lot of Sabo skirt stuff, but I got these sunglasses. How me are these? They're a little wide, but I like them. And then Buxom sent me something, or this might be Bare Minerals. No, it's a Buxom package. But Buxom just sent me like all of their new lip products, and I was like, what else could, oh, this is cute. They just sent me like all of these, which are their Vava Plump Shiny Liquid Lipsticks. So that's like really exciting because I like their shiny lipsticks, but I feel like a tinted lip balm is way more me and perfect for Valentine's Day. You're gonna be kissing anyone who wants to get lipstick all over their face. So I'm gonna take what I have off my lips right now and put one of these. Oh, I wasn't expecting that. Cool. That was it. Like everything I bought didn't fit. This is so large. The pants are just so large. I bought an Aussie size 8, but clearly I'm a size 6. Okay, I'm gonna get my suitcase out and pack. I'm using my little baby Herschel carry-on. I also have, where is it? I don't know where it is. Oh, it's right here. I also have this size, which is like a standard carry-on, and then I think this is like a smaller carry-on. But this is what I need for just like 2 days. This took me way too long to pack. This is for 2 days, but this is all my like makeup and stuff. It just takes up so much room. I have two outfits for tonight because I'm not sure what I want. Sweatpants, I'm not sure really what we're gonna be doing. So I have like normal jeans under here and then a sweater and then t-shirts. And then I'm gonna film some videos and stuff. So I have some equipment and then hair products in here. I also changed into this outfit because I kind of want to get Instagram in it. A little bit extra. Now I just need to pack up my camera and then we can go. Joey's an hour late, so wait, not these. I just changed into jeans and a t-shirt because I'm not gonna have time to take an Instagram. And I wanna just be comfy on the car ride, so jeans and a t-shirt it is. I still feel like I did not pack the right things. I'm so bad at packing. I need like 2 weeks in advance to learn how to pack. Okay, we just got to our room. We actually went to another room, and then we asked if we could have this room because that room is smaller but has a balcony, and this room is bigger but has no balcony. But since it's the winter and I want to be able to shoot content and stuff in here, we got the bigger room. It is like the cutest hotel. There we go.
I love this.
This is the entrance, and there's 2 robes here, a window, just like the desk.
Very nice to give us.
They gave us a bottle of champagne.
It's actually organic cava.
Oh, nice. This beautiful chair.
What Papa will read in the morning.
And then this is the closet with the mini bar and stuff. Hi. They have Hendrix.
Great shitter tonight.
And then this is the bathroom. It's like an old kind of barn looking bathroom. It's so nice. And the shower's here. No bath, but that's okay. So yeah, this is the Drake Devonshire, and this is the, what's it called?
Foundry guest room.
Foundry guest room. So I'm gonna get ready and then we're gonna go to dinner. I changed back into this outfit for dinner. Put my Gucci slides on. Pretty nice. And I'm feeling Good morning. I literally totally forgot that I was filming. Woke up this morning, had a coffee, went for breakfast, and now I'm back in the room. Joey's downstairs doing some work, and I'm going to start figuring out my content. So do some work as well, but it is so pretty here. Obviously our room's like kind of a mess, but the light in here is just so beautiful. I'll show you downstairs when I go downstairs, but oh my god, it's just so beautiful here. This is the hallway and the stairs. I just put up this video on my Instagram for hitting 100K. Go on my Instagram if you want to see the whole thing. It's so ridiculous. Right now we're just doing some work. But I need to go film soon. For lunch, I'm having a what is it? Beet apple.
Beet apple.
I think it's beet, apple, and maybe something else. Ginger? Yeah, maybe ginger. It's really good. And then Joey's having a green juice. Because he's allergic to apples. Fun fact. So there was apples in the green juice and Joey almost died. I'm kidding. He didn't.
What you doing?
Working out.
Say hi.
This is not a good
Hi. You taking a nap on the floor?
No, I'm working out. Ah.
Do you always work out in your clues? Are we both doing dips?
Last dinner, and I definitely did not pack that well. Forgot lip colors. Oh, this is my outfit for tonight. All white. I'm just wearing this little white tank. I'm wearing like a really pretty bralette underneath, because like when I go like that you can see. I don't want to kind of cover up. These white trousers from Aritzia. And my Gucci loafers. These are like the best things to bring if you're just like in a hotel, kind of like lounging around the hotel, because they're just so easy. I love these. Yeah, and then I'm gonna wear my white purse like this as a clutch. You can order wine at dinner, so we order a bottle of the Sangiovese, and you can just take it with you around the hotel. So we're just sitting here.
There's a fire.
There's a fire. There's a fire.
And?
Don't look at myself tan. That's really bad on my...
And I can just pour you a glass of wine.
And you can just pour me a glass of wine. It's amazing. Cheers. Love you.
Love you.
We're gonna pack up and we're gonna leave. It's been fun, Drake. We took the funniest Instagram this morning. Should be on my Instagram by the time this video goes up. Alright, we're just about to leave, but I just wanted to show you a little bit of the grounds. So this is the hut.
No, that's just a place you can sit and stand over there.
I'm not really wearing the appropriate footwear. Where are we going?
This way. If you want to walk through, you can walk through there.
No, it's okay. So pretty. This would be so nice in the summer.
A girl that you tried to date, but a year to make love, she wanted you to wait. Let me tell you a story of my situation. I asked her name, she said blah blah blah. She had 9, 10 pants and a very big bra.
Baby,
I took a couple of
it's a Mario version of it.
It's my voice saying. You
got what I need. But you,
that old green Nova.
I love watching you do yoga. Oh, this is my song.